Have you ever heard of the benefits of ginger, mint, and lemon? Did you know that these three ingredients make an excellent tea for your health? Tea is one of the most consumed beverages, losing only to water and coffee. And this is because of its comforting flavor and medicinal properties, both results of its ingredients. Do you drink tea every day? According to a study published in the Scientific Journal of the European Society of Cardiology, people who drink tea at least 3 times a week gain some extra years of life and a healthier heart. Isn't it amazing? Natural teas have many health benefits, each one with its own characteristics and properties. Let's see the benefits of each ingredient of this tea. Ginger is a root with a strong flavor. It has thermogenic action, boosts metabolism and helps with weight loss, is digestive, alleviates nausea and vomiting, and treats symptoms of flu and constipation. Ginger also has analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects and benefits the circulatory system. Mint tea has a digestive action, benefiting people who suffer from stomach aches. Besides, it reduces inflammations and releases gas that cause bloating and pain, improving intestinal and period cramps. Lemon has a series of beneficial substances for health, improves digestion, increases immunity, has anti-inflammatory properties, and has great detoxifying power. Mix lemon juice with warm water to facilitate nutrient assimilation and removal of harmful substances from our bodies. Liking the video so far? Because of these benefits, these ingredients are great to detox the body and even help lose weight and that insistent belly pouch that refuses to go away. So leave your opinion below to let us know how we are contributing to your health. Don't forget to leave your like to help the channel. Want to learn how to make it? 8.45 ounces water, a slice of ginger, approximately 0.4 inches, 1 handful of mint leaves, 2 lemon slices. Making it is easy. Boil the water with ginger, mint leaves, and lemon slices. Turn off the heat and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Then strain and drink. Drink at most 3 cups a day. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.